Good afternoon to all. So, respected judges and other persons on and off the dais. So, imagine waking up the morning and just the one person, like an AI, having your sleep schedules and all other things of your lives are scheduled. What an easy life, right? So, today I'm so privileged to talk in front of you about the AI, the artificial intelligence. So as we grew up, we always have this urge of somebody acting or somebody in your place to go for a science fiction movie or your life become a science fiction movie. Now the AI is like that. Now it's like the present world. Almost everyone is using AI, and we are just a part of the a process where AI is used all over. And then we have to. So the AI, what they are creating is basically they are molding us to become a future that is very easy for everyone, to make the work easy and to make the things in a very not even we don't need to use any strength because everything is in your fingertips now. So when it comes to the pros and cons of AI, the first thing I would love to mention is the learning. With the use of the AI, we can the personalized learning. The person with who has got disabilities, they're using the AI features to improve their educations. Especially the person who are in blind or you have an ear problem, they are using their ways of technologies and making a world that is better for them to survive without the help of the humankind, I would say. So in fact we always have a positive effects on AI, but still there have negatives too, because the human relationship now has shortened because because of the AI tools, especially we have the audios and videos and lot more. We don't need to directly go to your family members or any other person to share your emotions. We can just text it them and just hang out with them like that. So I think it always is a great space, like in an AI which is created for a joke, but in the same case the humankind and human emotions are just folded up. We can't have much space. Another thing I would like to mention is about some features of AI which is very heartbreaking, because normally when it comes to youth we always have this enthusiasm of talking, okay, I found this AI features and I found that about this AI program and all. But we don't have this privacy, and that affects our nationality too. The national security is of in great danger because of the AI, and because it is also secured because of the AI too. Right now I'm saying the two sides of the AI. It is a security key, but at the same time we have to think whether we are secured in an AI. I would like to mention some words of Elon Musk, who he says that AI already exceeds our future, and it will come more upcoming futures and he also have a plan of launching Teslas in at the end of 2025, and it's a great deal of our people, we can use electronic. We don't need to spend too much on the oil and all. But at the same time, we have to think is I like to mention that there is a news reports coming up that AI is the Tesla. The Tesla is where they have to, the full purpose of that is automatic thing, and it's based on an AI tool. But it is affecting whether we are getting that much protection. It is a big question now. So what I have to say is, in the same way, AI is a good thing and AI is a bad thing. And the way we are taking it is it plays an important role. In everything there is a two sides. Like AI, the artificial intelligence, it has both sides, the good and the bad one. So what I have to say is, the way we are using, as human beings, we always, the one feature that different human beings from all other beings is that humanity. and whatever we have used in it or we are going to use is the one thing we have to make sure that we never compromise anything for our humanity, and we will always stand for humanity. And whatever AI comes or AI not have up to make it. So we have to do is you have to give the best and treat it as a technology, not as a survival thing. Thank you. That's all.